September tip is about how to use bullet points. And bullet points are an incredibly useful formatting tool because they direct the reader's gaze. So as people are looking at a message, bullet points signal easily, quickly, without a lot of anything, that here's some important information you should take a look at. And it's all organized and grouped together for you right here where these bullets are. The thing about bullets is that bullets are essentially taking a list which would have been written as a horizontal sentence and making it vertical. So you're taking the root sentence that your list would have been part of, separated by commas. Here's the starting sentence, and now drop to point 1, point 2, point 3 in your bullets. And so the grammar of bullets means that each item in the bullet has to match in terms of grammar. It has to fit in the same part of the root sentence. So if your bullets are all sentences, you have to make sure that each one is a complete sentence. If they all have to be nouns, or they all have to be ed words or ing words, or however it's going to be organized, they all have to match in terms of the grammar. You might have heard about this when you were doing a resume, right? Because you're using a lot of bullets in a resume, and they all have to take the same grammatical form. So what you want to think about is a sentence, a root sentence, like I have to, okay, so my to-do list, I have to go to the grocery store, do laundry, and work out. And if those are the three things that I have to do, the root sentence is I have to go to the grocery store, do laundry, and work out. Those are all verbs: go, do, work. But I couldn't say I have to go to the grocery store, laundry, and work out. Those don't match. So that should feel a little uncomfortable. Your task with your bullet points is always to go back and make sure that there's a root sentence that each item fits in the same way, and that the grammar works so that each bullet, you don't have to change the root sentence to make the bullet fit. If you have to change something in the root sentence, then your bullets don't match and you've got to do something differently. But you have to have that root sentence, and then each item in the list has to fit in that root sentence in the same way. Now there's a couple of other sophisticated things around how we punctuate bullets, like do they need commas? Do they use semicolons? And you can find more of that information in the blog post where I write it all out for you. So hope this is helpful as you're thinking about bullets. Use them. They are a good formatting tool, but make sure that they all match.